I decided to start teaching Japanese verb conjugation because I feel like katakana is um, is a little too similar to hiragana, so it's not worth teaching. So, hello everyone. Today we're going to teach you the Japanese verb conjugations, I guess. So, Japanese verbs are divided into three groups. The first group always ends with the sound u, not the letter u in specific, like it can be ru, ku, su, or anything like that, but it doesn't have to be the letter u itself. And the second group ends with eru, like sometimes iru, but mostly eru. And the third group is irregular. It ends with kuru and suru. Yes, it only has two verbs. It has kuru and suru. So let's start with the easiest one, which is the second group. We got the past form, which we'll be teaching today. The past form is like eat becomes ate, I'm just giving an example in English. And the imperative form is like when you want to give an order to someone to do something. In English, you just use the present form of the verb, but here in Japanese, you got a special form for when you want to tell someone to do something. Okay, and here's the negative form. Well, the negative form is when you say I don't eat, or doesn't eat, or he doesn't eat. Yeah, it can never be an order. The negative form is just when you say I don't eat or he doesn't eat and stuff. But it's not an order. It's not like don't eat. No. So, for example, we have the verb to eat. And in Japanese, we have the Japanese language is divided into two different languages. It's like a language family. Like the Japanese language is a language family on its own. We have Masuke, which is the formal speech, which is pretty different from the normal way the people speak, which I call normal speech. Okay, so the verb to eat in the formal speech is tabemasu or tabemasu, and the verb to eat in the normal way the people speak, like the normal speech, would be taberu. Okay, so let's start with the verb conjugation. Note, formal speech always ends with masu. So that is true. Past, in the past tense, tabemasu becomes tabemashita, and masu is the same as mashita, but mashita is like the past of masu. And in the normal speech, taberu becomes tabeta in the past. In the negative speech, so like this is in the past form, so this means ate and this means ate, both mean ate, but like that's in the formal speech, that is in the normal speech. Okay, so the negative speech, tabemasen, I don't eat, or he doesn't eat, or they don't eat, or yeah, so yeah, you get it. So in the normal speech, you say tabenai, which means the same thing. And in the imperative form, it's like when you want to tell someone to do something, you say tabemashite. That is in the what is it called? The formal speech. So you say tabemashite when you give an order to someone, like eat. You get it? So in the normal speech it's tabete. Okay, now I hope you understood that part, because it's like our main focus for this video. Here we have the verb to see, miru, or mimasu in like the formal speech. In the past it becomes mimashita, saw, or mita, also means saw. But you know, formal speech and normal speech. So here mimasen, and here minai. Yeah, the negative form. The negative form. So didn't see, or no, it's not didn't see. It's don't see or doesn't see. I don't see. I don't see. Or someone does not see. Okay. And the imperative form is like when you tell someone. Here it actually means look, but in Japanese you get the point. When you give an order to someone to see something, then you giving an order to someone to look, or yeah, you get my point. So mimasu becomes mimashite, look, and in miru becomes mite, also look. And we also have a way that is like the least polite way to give an order to someone. Like I don't recommend using it as a beginner, because it's useless for beginners. The least polite form to give an order, the rule changes to ro. So taberu becomes tabero. As you see, it's a ro, not a ru. And miru becomes miro. So these two are in the imperative form. So that's all we have for today. Goodbye.